Hi guys, this is just a quick review using the Neenah soft stretch heat transfer paper. I'm going to go through this process from start to finish, and after I finish the whole process making the shirt, and I'll wash the shirt, I'll dry the shirt, and I'll let you know how the shirt hold up. I'm not a stranger to this. I've been using this, but I had a mind to go back and use this paper since I like all the many colors. So we'll chat later. Let's just get along with the process. First, here you can go to Google. You can pull up your image. I chose to do this in living color image. It has a lot of colors, and I didn't feel like using Cricut and cutting all of these different letters out and ironing them on. I mean, I can do it, but I didn't want to do it. I thought it was better using this heat transfer paper. And so I was checking the size, and I like this size out that I've selected right here. And I'm just going to print it out using my printer. I'm using the artesian printer, the Epson artesian printer. You can use any printer. As you see here, I had the Canon hooked up, but I ran out of ink. So I'm going to use this artesian 1430 printer. Any printer will do fine. And here I'm just gonna make sure all of my settings are correct. And it really is subjective. It's your preference. You can, but make sure that you mirror the image. That's not your preference. If it's words, you most definitely want to mirror those. And I just chose to use just a regular photo type of image. And again, do not forget to mirror this image. And we're going to print it out, and I'll be back. Okay, here I'm just showing you the regular size of the paper. It's just a regular piece of typing paper. Well, the size of a standard typing paper. And here is the design. I trimmed it. I did not use Cricut. I did not use any type of special cutter. I used my scissors because I'm using a white top. And here is just the paper and all of the details and instructions that you follow. Very handy, so just keep it in a handy place. Now I'm back here, and we're at my heat press machine, and I have my shirt already laid out in center. Just make sure that the shoulders is over the pad. Here I'm just brushing out for the lint. You don't want any lint on your image, so just get that off as much as possible. And next I'm just gonna just heat press the shirt just to weed out all the moisture and anything in a shirt for about 8 seconds. You can do it 2 or 3 seconds. It doesn't matter. And with using this paper, as soon as you put this on here, you want to be pretty much ready to press down and do your thing. I'm telling you, because if not, that heat is going to curl this paper up. And I usually measure like my handprint and from my handprint to get it centered. That's how I center it. And that's I center it just using my hand as a ruler or a guide. About and like I said, make sure you get it on there, and it will curl up on you. But I like the paper. Honestly, it's better than paying $25 for a shirt. I can pay I think 50 sheets cost me about, I'm not sure. I'll get the details, but it wasn't expensive at all. You don't have to order 50 sheets. I ordered 50 sheets. I think like 20 something bucks. But this is good heat transfer paper. It's not that Walmart crap. And I'm going to show you. I've had a shirt that I've been wearing for over a year, and it's still, the coloring is still good. Just make sure you use a good ink. No matter what printer you're using, just use a good ink and you'll be fine. And I'll do a video on the type of inks. Here it is. I'm taking this shirt off to let it cool down a little bit. They said it's a hot peel But I find with the hot peel, most of my image is left on the back of the paper. So I let this cool off just about maybe 60 seconds or less before I peel it. So you can just let it set to the side, and as you see, voila, I got my in living color bag out. And I'm telling you, this is a $5 shirt. It only cost me $5 to make this shirt. And here is my last step. I want that like crisp look. So I'm gonna use a non-stick parch paper here. And I'm just gonna maybe heat press it for another 8 seconds. And like I said, it's just embed the color in the shirt. It embedded the more. And about 8 seconds. And you're gonna have yourself a nice $5 shirt, because I only paid like maybe $2, $2 or $3 for the shirt at Jiffy.com. There you go, baby. I like it. Like I said, it'll hold up. I've made a couple of shirts a while ago, and I thought I got all fancy using a cry cut and the glitter paper and all of the foils, using a heat transfer vinyl, which is all good. But I think this is, I like this process, just printing it using any printer as Jet Pro paper. It will explain all of that. Here, I put it in the wash cycle.
Straight out of the washer.
And I did wash it inside out, as I do with any shirt. I don't care if I go buy a Nike shirt. I turn it inside out.
Bear with me.
That's because I want to preserve that image a little more. And I'm not going to wear this shirt every day. I don't wear any t-shirt every day. But bye, y'all, baby, yo, in living color. Hey, I'm telling you, you got to get this paper. I will link the descriptions below. The Amazon, I will put the Amazon link below. But I like this paper. And here I'm going to pop it in the dryer for about 10 minutes. It doesn't take that long for this to dry. And again, like I said, I've used this paper in the past, and it's done good. It's done well. It's not screen printing, but it's I mean, it's not less than screen printing either. I like this paper. It is Neenah Jet Pro Soft Stretch Heat Transfer Paper. And here you don't have to deal with a lot of colors and a lot of cutting. Just use it on your white tank top or a white shirt. Oh, excuse me. A white hoodie, and I'm telling you, you good to go. All right, baby, we recapping, and I'm just going over what I said earlier. I'm using this heat transfer paper. This is not the Walmart brand. This is a standard brand that's you can buy it at any supply store that handles all of your t-shirt making supplies. I bought it on Amazon, but I'll leave some links down below. I bought this on Amazon. I think I paid like 20 something dollars for like 50 sheets. I don't know, but it maybe 10 sheets would be like $5. But it's not expensive paper at all. You can use any type of a printer. I was using my little Canon. I paid $20, maybe $15 for this Canon printer, and it holds out just fine. And I just you can use the standard inks in this. I know I'm using an Epson artisan printer, but I'm still using standard inks in this. And the inks are coming out fine. Again, if you have any questions, just leave a comment below. This is heat transfer paper. It's not the kind that you buy at Walmart. It is the top brand. I like the brand. It's Neenah, and they have a few other brands, but I like this one. As you can see, it held up in the wash. It held up in the dryer. It's held me up for over a year and a half. I have shirts that I've been using, but like I said, I got all fancy and stuff and using my cry cut and the glitter. But other than that, I hope you like this video. I will be making more videos, and I will be making more colorful shirts using this type of paper because I find it less expensive. All right, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Any other t-shirts or hoodies you would like to see me design using this paper, just leave a comment. Thank you and enjoy. Bye.